morning, campers. All right. In the future, we'll all be YouTube streamers. We won't even talk to each other. Streamers? This is not streaming. This is just man. This is just stupid, bro. Okay, so I got a good portion of my site done yesterday. That's a good thing. I like that. Ooh, that's good. I got a few things to fix. Oh, God dang it. I like that. I guess. I don't know. I'm not a designer. I'm making shit that works and looks halfway decent to me. That's all. They can poo-poo it if they want in terms of design, but it's kind of like I hope it's not too stupid. I hope it's not bad. I don't know. I guess it's okay. It's nothing amazing. But it's there. It works. Everything works. See how it lights up when you hover it? I want that to do that at a lower. I didn't fall asleep until like 1 a.m. last night. I don't know why. I was up late watching cow hoof cleaning videos. They're mesmer. Why would anybody think to make a video about that? Oh, you know what they're gonna like? They're gonna want to see me clean this cow hoof. Like, what? Bruh, no, they're not. I guess farmers want to watch it. But anyways, that's just fucking weird. It's like, no, you know? All right. Today is the 7th. Today is the first Tuesday of the month, right? Correct. So next Tuesday I have to go. Fuck, we gotta do that one. This is bad. I hate not having enough sleep. Oh, don't forget, guys, tomorrow is Holly. Do you want to be alerted? No, not really. Okay. Man, I'm gonna have to take a nap later. I shouldn't even got up yet. Like without sleep, you're about half as productive as you otherwise would have been. But when you do have sleep, it's like whoa, I have superpowers. It's a whole different ball game. It's a whole different ball game. Yeah, maybe I'll need to sleep later. I need some coffee. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I was born on a Tuesday. I found out. Life's never been the same since. I was born on a train in a bunch of train. Okay, so I gotta fix the modal. Let's get that modal working. That's just something easy, I say, but it's not easy because it's a fucking pain in the ass. I don't know. It's not supposed to be, but I've tried every freaking combination of settings to try to get it to work, and nothing has worked. This is all just old notes, mostly. A lot of this is just old notes. Because I want shit to work. You don't want to put a website online that's like not even, it doesn't show what it's supposed to show. You have to hit reload for it to load right and stuff like that. You don't want that. You want it all just to be seamless. One thing I want to do. There's no hover effect on any of the links. And there's an active effect, but there's not a hover effect. There is a hover effect on submit, which is nice. But that came with it. So what I need to do is come over here to, I guess it would have to be, I think, yeah, it's all of those, except because here, let me make sure it won't conflict. You don't want it to conflict. When you do get over here, okay. So yeah, only difference is it'll raise up. Okay. So what you want is, you don't want the translate, but you do want, and you don't want the box shadow, but you do want, interesting. Right? I mean, we don't have to have the font weight change either. Just leave that off. So just leave all these off, but do make the color. I mean, the color's already white. You don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is change it to dark blue. That's it. Okay. Can't tell how I feel yet. Okay. Footer link cover. Okay, all this stuff. Now let's link. Yeah. It's gonna be over everything. So we're gonna take this, copy, And I think I have one for active up here. This is not the really important stuff, but it's just like I got my form working. When it's active, it'll do that. It's like they wake up and start stomping around right away. Yeah, it's just the background color needs to go darker. Right? Correctamundo. Let me go back down. Yeah, you just want it to be like that anyway. Boom. So you can actually see what you're hovered over. And nothing happens because nothing happens. It's fine. This looks better. This does look better. Well, except for that, you need that. We gotta make sure this works. Okay, fine. Color white. Both of these, actually, if they apply. Go ahead and do both of them. Where am I at? Right here. Paste. Save. Why is it not working? What the fuck? Hold up. Okay, and then when it gets even larger, it'll actually like pop up a little bit. It's subtle. It is subtle. Okay, it's subtle. Okay, but for some reason on here, but I guess because it's not included, that must be why. These are called previewer buttons. Correct. So I want to go ahead and add that in there. Yeah, I know. They're going to say that what they're going to say is, I do have it in there. What the fuck? They're going to say you shouldn't have just listed it like this. You should have used their common element name. Previewer button is right there. I already have it selected. Why is it not doing it? What? Let me get a refresh. What the fuck? Okay, well, let me see. Previewer button. What the hell is the deal? Watson, shut the fuck up. It's not that big a deal. You're not helping anybody. Look, it says it right there. Nothing's being blocked off. Why do I not see white? Does one cancel out the other? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, wait, here we go. Can I take that away? And now refresh? Well, if I refresh, it puts it back, so. Okay. Now we're going to go to it and hover. The mystery deepens. I wish it just included all of the states when you hover. Instead of having to select for a certain state. All right, so that's called preview button. Let's see where else that might be. Undone at. That's just the original color. I mean, that doesn't need to be changed. Preview button active, preview button active. This is all active state stuff. So no, not there. My stomach kind of hurts. I'm tired. It's hard to sit here and do this when you got shit sleep. What time is it? Okay, anyway. Or maybe I'll just do it down here then. Fuck it. It should be doing it though. Yeah, the preview button is included in that. It's actually undoing it, which doesn't make any sense to me. When I click, it turns white, and that's because of this, and that's expected. And when I hover, the background does change. It's doing part of it. Oh, wait, you know why? I know why. This needs to be done separately. Oops. Okay, so it probably just needs to be done separately. Okay, great. You gotta do it separate. Because so if I save this, it's still gonna do this on all my oh well no, let's keep color then. Save. Let's keep it a color going. And also take preview button out of here. Yeah, just take it out of here. It kind of just needs to be done on its own. And so what I'm going to do is take it out of all these links, because it does just need to be done on its own. Yeah, it needs to be done on its own. So let me just verify everything else is the right color. Okay, good. This works good. That already has been working, so that's good. And all these. And then also my I want the icons to change too. Hello. Where's that at? Footer link. Well, let's do footer icon. Throw that in there too, please. Save. It's the way everything's like strung together is like it never works the way you think it's gonna work. Good. Footer link cover's fine. I'd rather have it all in one place. Let's do footer icon. Paste. Needs to be fill dark. Where is it at? Show me. One needs to get good enough at coding. Setting all this stuff by hand like this. Even that's not working. Great. When you've hovered the footer icon, you want to affect the SVG. There. Now it works. Golly. All right. So that shit works. Let's go down to what I took out of there, which is the preview buttons. Let's go down to preview buttons now. Okay. And then what we want to do is say previewer button, and I want to target. I would like to press the delete key. Okay. I want to target. Oh yeah, when it's hovered. So fired. When it's hovered. Oh yeah. I'm not sure how that works. Do I have to make two or one? No, I don't know. I'll just do it like this for now. Span will become color white. But also shouldn't be the close button, not. What did I call it? Close button? Should not be that. That's hovered. Target its span. So let's just do this one thing first. Might have to do the background color on it too. I can't remember. If I do this, what happened? Okay, good. So yeah, I do need to do the background color. But that's for the span. But boy, oh howdy, man. They're gonna be like, this is not the way you should have done this. How dare you? good. And finally, oh wait, this also needs the knot. Not close button. Yeah, because that one needs to turn dark red, not blue. Right. Okay. It has been accepted. That, and then, I don't know. You got span here. Would I need to? I mean, I'll do it a little. That's how that works. I think we'll have, yeah, I'm 99% positive that's what we would just target all SVGs on the whole page. If I did that, that's not what I want. Now I gotta make a special little thing for it. Previewer. This one doesn't need a knot. These are all the same. On its hover state, we want what am I doing? SVG. What's the difference between stroke and fill? Hold on. I'm not really sure, to be honest. I guess let's try both. So, good. Well, is it? Yeah, we're gonna do both. We actually are gonna do both. Good. Well, I mean, that kind of looks retarded, doesn't it? I'll leave out the fill. Maybe is what I wanted. Yeah, because they're just lines. Yeah, I wanted it like this. That's good. Okay. Now the only thing left. Click. Click, click, boom. Click, click. Mom grounded me. Click, click, boom. Okay, and then when I hover that, I see. I never knew that before. Now I learned another thing. Okay. Now we go to close button hover. That one will get a background of darker red. Yes. Which is in here somewhere. Okay. Save. No. Boom. Boom. Beautiful. All right. The only thing left to fix now is the, this should all still work the same. Criticize me more, Grace. I don't think you're doing a good enough job being a critic. It all works. This is just, you shouldn't, I don't even, that's how she responds to my questions. Good, this makes sense. I like it. Oh shit, is this fucked up now? Please tell me that's not fucked up. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Okay, ready? Electric cannonball. Wait, now it's not working again. Wouldn't you know it? It was working 2 seconds ago. Now it's not. I know it does. Oh. These other ones, they don't have a border, so you really don't have to worry about it. But if I go to over 1300, what happens? Does it give me a border? I feel like maybe it should, just to make it stand out more. And that way you can just keep it that way. All right, ready? All right. It had to do with up here. Okay. I mean, if it's being clicked, it is being hovered, yes. We'll find out here in a minute. if I put a border, well, that's the thing. I don't want to put a border around it except for the nav list link part. When it is hovered in particular. I don't want it to just be on all of them. I'd rather just be on that one. Because it would help you see it better. This is because I'm coding from scratch that it's this way. What really happens is people don't code all this stuff from scratch this way. They just import a pre-made thing and maybe tweak it a little bit. But I coded this part from scratch. So now I'm continuing to code it from scratch. I'm not a genius or anything, but Netflix link. Which thing am I hovering? I'm hovering Netflix link. Also add a border on there. Border. Like, what is the default border? Tell me. Border 3 pixels. So we're going to do this, except instead of that, it's going to come white. Yay. Border. I'm not as pleased with that as I thought I'd be. That doesn't really look very good either. Darn it. Okay, well then maybe just do 2 or something. 2 pixels. It kind of looks goofy. It kind of looks a little goofy. First off, oh, and it's causing that. So, you know what? I'm not going to get into all this. We're just going to leave it the way it was. It's going to cause more headaches than it's worth. Because now it's moving the text around too, because it's a border and it's border box. And I don't want all that nonsense. I ain't trying to get into that. Am I over 1,300 here? What's going on? No, I'm not. Now I'm over 1,300. There we go. Okay, good. Good enough. Good enough for now. Only thing left to fix now is the modal. Put some more good text on here. The modal. Go back into that hellhole that is the modal. And then, yeah, I guess put it online. And throw a few applications out, and then also start another project. Start a whole different project. Mm-hmm. Our new policy at Discord. Terms of service have changed because of all the scaring, because of all the because of how hateful the world has become. We need to we will be reporting all users who use normal pronouns. We'll be reporting them to the authorities. I love this new world we live in. It's so full of joy and happiness. It focuses on all the good things about us. Isn't it great? I used to live there. I used to live over there. Hey, look at that. So cool, so hip, urban. Might have to lay down. Coding all day long. Doody. All these women that are just like, they're done fucking a million different guys and now they want a husband. I spent my whole 20s. I spent my whole teens, early and late 20s being an absolute whore. And now I'm finding myself and I need a husband. I update the company's Facebook page. All right, anyways. This looks okay. I wish I could get more caffeine in my system so I can wake up. Ow. I do need more sleep. I definitely need more sleep. What's the next step? Okay, what's the next thing? I sleep like shit. I think that's one of my biggest problems. I never sleep enough. And all day long I feel exhausted. Every time. Okay, cool. That works. Oh yeah, the modal. Fucking modal. Can we get this fucking shit figured out? I mean, I've already spent a fucking week on it. And it still would not work. I did the email thing in like an hour. Why can I not get this modal to be right? Where was it? Where is it? I guess we'll go back to the frickin' square one again. Let's see. Like I just didn't do anything. Just start all the way over like I hadn't done anything. And the saga that is modular accessibility. Stupid thing. Okay, at least I wrote it all down. Okay, it's still in there. Good. I got that installed as a dev dependency. Well, I got the dependency, which is the actual modal npm package. And that's in there. And then to help that out, I have parcel as a dev dependency. And both of those are installed and they're all ready to go. And I have my script here. And how is this supposed to go? I can't really remember. Why don't I go ahead and actually let me push what I have now so that at least I have that uploaded. If I can get my terminal to appear on the screen again. Because it just decided to disappear. Okay, cool. It I know. I'll do Coke. Gotta be more productive. Gotta be more productive. Come on, you lazy sack of shit. Take this off. None. Save. All right. I'm tempted to just like post and be like, can somebody please walk me through? Can we please do a freaking screen share of this thing to get it right? Because I mean, I'll look at it a little bit, but I've already run in a million circles with this thing. And it's just a waste of time. I didn't get anywhere. So I don't want to fucking finish it so I can put this thing online. This all needs to be, it's got to say something. It shouldn't just say what it says. And I don't have, these aren't even links. Maybe I should go on a walk. Maybe I should go on a walk. Let's go on a walk instead. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I need to just lay down while I do this so I can recoup some kind of energy. I could not fall asleep. I could not fall asleep. I really got like maybe 5 hours of sleep. Maybe. Ooh, that's cool. Whoa, this thing's cool. That looks really cool. That would be so awesome. Look at that thing. Bruh. It's probably a shitty guitar, but let me see. It looks really cool. And it's only 600. That looks really, really cool. I would totally love a guitar like that. That would be awesome. Feedback City, but it looks cool, so that's all that counts. Some more coffee. Maybe. The stuff YouTube shows you sometimes is just like, it's like, I swear, I think YouTube, they know people are on YouTube. And I think they're using it as like a thing in and of itself because you got to figure the algorithm basically like it puts your mind in a certain space, or it can, depending on what you happen to glance at. Like, oh, we need to throw a little bit of porn at this guy real quick. Like, you're just whoa, like what the fuck? Oh, I don't know. The algorithm chose it. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Or just like a series of like really, I don't know, really dark, psychotic videos. The new world order, baby. We're just gonna be in front of screens from here on out. The shocking truth. It's like the perfect thing to just like put like a little aggravator. Just every 3 weeks, you get the same exact little tiny message just thrown at you that just comes out of nowhere. There's no context for it. It's just like there as like just to get you familiar with it. I don't know. Maybe I'm insane. Strange Guitar Works is the best guitar luthier on the coast, bar none. They are phenomenal. Like, the craftsmanship they do, it's just it's insane. There's my nephew. It's crazy, right? My little nephew. Oliver, right? Oliver, right? Yeah. Oliver. Wait, Oliver? Oliver and who? It's called- I don't remember the name. Oliver and there's another. I don't remember what that son name is. Everybody had kids at the same time. It's like, fuck, can you slow down? Guess what, everyone? I got a crack whore pregnant. When's our party? Don't surprise me now. Oh, she's out there doing a hit. Don't worry about it. She's great. You're gonna love her. Her name is Saturn. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, I got this morbidly obese girl. Hey everyone. Good news. Good news, everyone. Just kidding. All right, let's go back to what I'm doing. Okay, the modular bullshit. Let's do this one more time. Blah, blah, blah. Well, one thing to do would be to just go to the instructions here. Just go to the instructions and start from the top. And then when it starts to fuck up, okay. Okay, installation. Great. It is installed. It is already installed. There's nothing else to do with that. It is installed, so that's not the issue. The issue is when I go to use it after it's installed. It's up here. And what is this about? I don't even know. Click it. Oh, okay. Ba, 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 do, 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 do. Make this a little clearer so I can see this is a section. Okay, we got. Okay. And this had something else to do with it too. I think I need to take this off. Anyway. I'm so happy that worked. That's such a relief. It never goes that easily. Ever. Okay, anyways. It's 9 o'clock, baby. 9 o'clock on the dot, and then my drop top, making the block. Using JS Deliver. Using a CDN. I should just use a CDN, to be honest. Let's figure out where the problem lied with this first, and then we'll get to that. Um, it's like I can't breathe right either. That make any sense? Like I get so concentrated that I forget to breathe. I don't know if that has to do with being tired. And then I kind of feel nauseous when I do that. Am I the only one that's like that? Like you're just sitting here and you're so still, you're moving so little that it's like no blood's getting circulated, no oxygen's going in and out. And you're just thinking and thinking and trying to fix stuff. And the next thing you know, you're like, God, am I even breathing? I don't know. It just feels weird. Like the body's awake, so the body wants to be moving around if it's awake. You know what I mean? It wants to be moving somewhat. It wants to need to breathe. But with this, you might as well be hooked up to a ventilator. They call it one of them machines, one of them fancy machines. I mean, what is that for? Usage markup. So then I had all this shit. Where's it at? I admit this is not the best code, okay? But I'm just gonna make it work, okay? It ain't gonna be the best code right out of the gate, okay? That's just how that fucking is. Alright? You can say all the shit you wanna say, but that's just how it works. Come on now. Container, contact container? What is this for? Previewer. 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 Ugh. hell is that at? I need glasses. Previewer. That's the carousel. No. What the fuck is the preview? Oh yeah, put it below everything 'cause it's a right there. Yeah, it's between the footer and main. It's after the end of main, before the footer, because it's not actually in the flow. It's not actually like. Why do they make it so that like? Anyways, if I can spell it correctly, that would also be helpful. Tap, tippy tap tap. Ooh. It's funny how like American culture has just totally died. All right, anyways. And then what is that? That's the footer. So, so this is how I set it up. You can see it says dialogue. Well, hold on. And basically, what happens is it doesn't recognize it. It won't connect. Um, I run the. Okay, so it has installation, but it also has instantiation. By default, any element with the alley dialog attribute will be automatically instantiated as the dialog. Let's do something first. So I have a like I need to be able to do this type of thing. That's why I'm doing it this way. I could do it the easier way with a CDN, but this is important too. I need to demonstrate that I can actually use these things. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Plus, I've already yeah, it already has a border, so don't worry about that. Let's see now it doesn't work. Okay, and I have this error. Cannot use import statement outside of a module. That was the point of this dependency here, right? What is module.js? Let's open a parcel as well. Oh, what it is, you have to have parcel running, right? So let me do that first real quick. It would just be index.html. You don't have to do that source thing, although that's how you're typically supposed to set it up, but you're just accessing the same file anyway. It's okay. You can do it this way. You see? That's one. Okay, cool. Well, that's in the head section. Do I need it to be in the head section? Before we get started, I need to install Node and that. And I did that. Okay. And then install Parcel, which is already done. How to view. Let me see this. Terminal view dependencies. See dev dependencies. How to see dependencies. How to see dependencies in terminal. You can use the app show command to take you to the back. It's in there because it's in there. I see it on the page. So anyway, that's already installed. I guess we'll move the. Do I need to run that? Let's try it. I'm gonna run npx parcel index.html. See where I'm at first. Yes. npx parcel index.html. Enter. This is what I get. Build failed. It's on page 85. Line 85. I hate this fucking shit. Okay. I spent a whole week trying to fix all these errors. And I still don't really understand what I'm doing wrong. Oh, there it is, module.js. I'm having to like retrace my steps here. So take this out. That's not part of that. This is here, and it is linked right there. Okay. So okay. Okay. Right, what that is. And like here, this has nothing to do with designing anything or seeing like results. So that makes it even more frustrating because like all I'm trying to do is connect shit. It's like I do all this shit and nothing changes and all I get are errors. That's there. It's going to be accessible. If it's not accessible, the whole fucking world will burn down. How are the blind people supposed to navigate your site? Like, if you're blind, consider it a gift to not have to be on a fucking computer. Like, you were spared. You shouldn't be trying to get on a fucking computer. You should be like writing classical music or books or something, not painstakingly clicking through links on a little fucking blind person phone or something. I'm gonna need to lay back down. I'm going to take a nap. Oh yeah, and I wanted to add a thing up here too. Well, that error went away. Well, fuck. Yeah, but it's not working. Did one of the errors go away? It says it right there. So it is accessing the correct. Uh, it's just having the same error on the other file now. So it's accessing the other file, which is good. It knows to go there at least. But when it gets there and it reads the import code, it still doesn't understand it. What does it say? Failed to resolve from module.js. It just doesn't resolve it or something. And these are supposed to be ones, right? I did that. Not help anything. Took it away. Still says references must start with either that or that. Okay, well, what about what do you do like if it's in the same folder? What does that look like? If it's in the same folder, uh, which type of slash is that? What is it? Oh, do I even have strict doc type on me? I can't remember what that even does. Okay, we'll just do a period. Is that what the error said? No, it needs a slash. Relative references must start with either a slash, a dot slash, or a dot dot slash. So I think it's a dot slash. Yeah, it's a dot slash. So come up here in the module and say dot slash. But then it acts like it doesn't know where it is. I mean, it's in node modules, isn't it? All right, what if I did that? Would that work? Failed to load module script. Expected to JavaScript module script, but the server responded with a MIME type. What the fuck that means? Oh, let's just do a dot slash real quick. Right there. I'm trying to get to access it. What it is the way NPM works, you download or you don't download, but you install the Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager. Once that's up installed on your system, you then are able to go grab um, different node packages to use on your site. Yeah, but they have to be imported. In order to actually apply them to the site, you have to use an import statement on a JavaScript page, and the JavaScript connected to your HTML. So import package name from wherever it is. They're called modules. So you'll have a modules folder, which is right here. And so you say, I want this package or node module. I'm not really sure what this kind of package or node module is, but They seem to be used interchangeably, but you would say import it from that folder, which I've done, and it is in that folder. And then from there, you basically run a function calling uh, calling that package's main function. So, like, you create a variable that calls. So, like here, dialog is supposed to be dialog new this, and it creates a new object from that package. But it's not able to access the fucking module for some reason. So I can't get this process started because it won't fucking access it. And I have no idea why. And it took me a fucking week. And I still didn't figure it out. Nobody knows. Like, I have this parcel thing running because I was told you need parcel to check my notes. What does parcel do exactly again? How is that helping me? Oh, so that was without parcel. It was giving me it was giving me a thing that says it doesn't recognize um, cannot use import statement. It wouldn't even let me import it at first. All right. It wouldn't even let me use the import statement because it wasn't seeing it as a module for some reason. So then I got a parcel to help it out, you know, which I'm running right now. Wait, what am I doing? I'm on the wrong thing. Hold on. In addition to this, you have to go to the parcel. You actually have to go to a separate link. 1 minute. 1 second. Let me go back to parcel. I had parcel. Okay, here we go. Now we do this, and there's my site again. Great. At least this part looks okay. Okay, so let's inspect it and see what it tells me. Anything? Well, I don't have any errors now. Did it get imported? Is it working now? I don't see any errors. What happens when I click that? Oh, it popped up. It actually popped up. Although I am still very suspicious of this. And also, I still don't understand, like, what does that mean? Does that mean I have to keep it running? Like, the person viewing my site's not gonna be running parcel in order to see it correctly. So does it just, like, I have to run parcel to get this shit to work? Do I just have to run it? Get the npm package to get the dialog modal to work right? me try this thing one more time. Still not giving me an error. Does this work? I don't get it. Well, I guess let's try to actually use this, I guess. Okay. How does it work? Let me see. Let's just review this a little bit. Insulation. Markup. Here's the basic markup. I get this done. It's literally not that many steps left. It's really not. I just want this to fucking work finally. See, the dialogue overlay is not there. Dialogue overlay. Okay. It's not the actual dialogue window, it's just the container with the screen. Yeah, the next thing I need to learn is React. 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 What was it? 9:30. Okay. Uh, it's not the actual dialogue window, just the container with which the screen interacts, the script interacts. It must have what? It must have a unique name. Instantiation? What does that mean? What does the word instantiation mean? Initiation? That's typo. Right. Yeah, and like a payment processor, that would be another good thing to put in a project. That's the type of stuff they wanna see, not really like but this is the thing they wanna see too. Data only dialog. Hide. There it is. Is this supposed to wrap the thing? I really don't get it. What if I do this? Okay, good to know. That's what I was kind of expecting. Good. Really, this thing ought to be over here, if I'm understanding this correctly. Copy, paste, space. Okay, we'll go ahead and do that. Save. Still here. No, it doesn't work. There's this. And if I took this, and put it around that, hang on. Up here. Sure. Save. I don't know what the hell this is going to do. No, that doesn't do it either. Well, another thing is like, I thought the whole point of this was to not be able to just click outside of it. You know, that's the whole point of a modal. You have to do something. You have to interact with the modal before you can get back to the page. But then this modal tool I'm using has built into it a feature that allows you to just click away from it in order to close it instead of interacting with it. That doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna say this is the document. This is like where I'm gonna have to just look up a YouTube video on how to try to do this, set this up, which I don't like doing, but your dialogue title ID? Not really understanding. I don't know. To tell you the truth, I have no idea. The actual dialogue. It says the Actual dialogue role document. Well, that's not. What if I took these out? What would happen then? It's just an empty div. It doesn't do anything. It's supposed to block out the back. Make so, for example, if I were to click that, that shouldn't be clickable, right? It's supposed to focus. For the love of God, this is so confusing. I don't, I'm gonna write a thing and say, help. Well, I'm trying to make a. Hit this keyboard. Um, just keep watching more YouTubes, more YouTube videos, more YouTube. Um, Tutorials about it. I have to get. I have to move on to React at some point. See? Morning. Oh. Right. Poor Pip. How many times we're gonna go in and out of my room today, Watson? 10, 100? No. Tired today. All right. All right. Watson? I mean, yeah, if somebody could just explain this in like layman's terms to me about what I need to do. I don't want to be spoon fed things. I'm not being lazy. I'm not trying to be lazy about it. But I don't really understand how any of it works. So, are you tired? Come here. Hmm. Hmm. Are you tired today? Yeah, you look tired. I'm tired too. We could be tired together, Watson. You can lay down. You just gonna lay right there. No. Okay. Now, what is my question? Uh, Control C, I think. I don't have Command Control Escape. Okay. My computer's gonna die soon. Nothing comes back in, and then it comes back out, and then it comes back in, and then it goes back out, and then it comes back in. I'll just stand in the doorway. Here we are again, Watson. Another exciting day. That's the whole one on this one. Like, I don't even know what to ask. I'm trying to figure out what to even ask, and I can't breathe because I'm sitting so still. Maybe I need to stand up. You're not meant to sit still for so long every day. Okay. All right. Okay. Ready? Figure this out. What's going to happen now? Interactions. Let's try this. What does this mean? DOM API. So that means following button will open the dialog when interacted with. Okay. Well, so then that means I need to add it to this. Where's it again? Yeah, it's in the hero section. Right? Yeah, this. And what does it need to be? And what does it say? Can we go back to the page I was just on? Put it down here. Button. Does it have to be button? Button type button. What do I need to say? Okay. You used to say what? Data. And it's A11Y. and it needs to be this my dialog container. Man, I'm tired. Okay, go back. Where was I? Paste. Save. Okay. Mhm. Following button. So this would be the close button. I mean, it's supposed to work a bit like Bootstrap, right? I already have that on there, so that's already taken care of. Good. What else? The following button will close the dialog. They have to say type button on there. Okay, that's fine. I don't have any particular problem with that. You could say type button all you want. In fact, it already is a button. So type equals button. So that's all done. And the JS API, I'm not really sure. Did anything change there? I don't understand why this is helpful. I don't, if I go to focus, still don't even get the, hey, that worked. It doesn't go to, it's like, does it have to be fucking perfect? Look, I'm gonna take a class on accessibility to get this to work right. And it works. If you click around, if you have eyeballs and working faculties, you can use it fine. But I just don't even know. I don't even know where to begin on this fucking shit. I understand how Bootstrap works. Another thing is that this is supposed to I guess my question is, like, I can't tell if it's working or not, or I can't even understand how to be able to tell whether or not, it works. I just know that a lot of the things it says it's supposed to be doing don't seem to be happening. It's already set up that way. Like, what am I supposed to fucking be doing here? The instructions, it's just very unclear. That's why I need to go to a YouTube video or something 'cause I don't understand what's supposed to be happening. Um, hmm. Christ. I hate this keyboard. Okay, it's been imported. Great. Like this is just spinning your wheels. You're not really doing anything at all. Um, I have parcel hosting it. I hate this goddamn fucking shit. Okay, let's go to my notes again. Where did my I didn't fucking touch anything and they're gone. Like it's just so much shit. It's just so much fucking shit, and none of it follows logically. Like I've literally just tried to go from start to finish, and I don't understand it. Okay, can I use import stimulus out of module? That'd be great. I mean, this is supposed to be able to be done in like an hour. You know, this is like not meant to be a huge project. This is not a project. This is just like changing the font size. I mean, it's not, but it's not meant to be a full day's worth of fucking shit. But it is so fucking complicated that I have no idea how to even tell if I've done it or not, or how I would know if it's working. That's problem number one. How do I even know if I've did it or not? All I know is like some of the things it says it should do, it's not doing. So I'm assuming it's not done. It doesn't change how it looks at all, but it's supposed to be able to change. It's supposed to be accessible. Probably it's not. The whole fucking point of it. They're not gonna answer. They're really not gonna answer. They're gonna be like, "I don't know." Click, please, for the love of God. I'm using Parkline Homestead. Understand how this is the thing. I don't know. Can somebody point me in some kind of correct direction here? At the end of the day, all I care all this was supposed to do Uh, oh, about this. Um, for example, my mouse. I don't fucking know. Like any kind of guidance on this fucking shit. I fucking hate this fucking shit. God fucking damn it, man. It's so fucking frustrating. I fucking hate all this goddamn fucking shit. All right, let's go. I guess quit this thing. Just give me the fucking link the way it already is. Command, control, escape. Nice and easy, huh? Did it do it? Okay, I guess it did. Whatever. I don't know what any of that means. No one wants me to update that. I've already committed it. Let's just push now. This is going to take all day. And they're going to look at it for 2 seconds and be like, let's say comment that doesn't help anything. Connection server is lost. It's fine, I don't care. Like, I'm just trying to make something very basic, a window that is handicap accessible. That's it. I'm about to abandon all this fucking shit that supposedly helps you do that and just do it all from scratch because this fucking shit makes no fucking sense. Like, I just need somebody to sort of shed any kind of light on how the hell this is even supposed to work. I just need someone to shed light on how any of this is supposed to work. Okay, great. And I'll finish my coffee, and then I'll come back. Other than this, there's only, I got to change some text, and then I want to add an icon to the tab thing. But that's easy. I mean, that's not hard to do. This is really the only like unsolved mystery of my entire web page, and it shouldn't be this way. I posted questions about this for a week straight, a couple weeks ago, trying to get it to work, and then I ended up just having to totally abandon it because I never got an answer, and I was never able to decipher what the fuck it's supposed to do or how the fuck it's supposed to be set up. Did I set it up? I'm not getting any errors anymore, but it's also not doing the things it says it's supposed to be doing. I fucking hate all this fucking shit. Because you're not actually building anything. It's not fun because you're not actually building anything. You're just taking what you've already built and trying to make it accessible. So you don't really see any difference on the page. But meanwhile, it's 10 times harder than actually building stuff, which you do actually see results from. So it's just like it's like bashing your head into a wall. And nobody's gonna answer. It's what, 10:30 now? Nobody's gonna give me an answer, you know? I'm this close to actually putting my site online, and because of this, it's gotta be held back another who knows how long? Who fucking knows? I hate all this fucking shit. The site looks fine. The site works. You know, I'm happy with what I've built here, but, you know, if it has to be accessible, that's a different story for handicapped people. I mean, that is part of this, but, like, I don't know, maybe I should take a Udemy class and hold off deploying my site till I'm done with a whole fucking another Udemy class on accessibility. I have some kind of context for what the fuck I'm doing. And I've taken 3 Udemy classes, but somehow I do have Udemy as a bookmark, which just makes even more sense. Welcome back. Would you be open to a 60-minute interview? Are you fucking kidding? Um, I'm trying to make a motor pop-up accessible by using an NPM package called that, and there's a link. I've added the necessary attributes management as best I could, and now I'm really just trying to verify that I have set it up correctly and that it is working, which I don't even know how to tell. It's been installed and imported, but the dialog object that was declared as part of the import isn't currently being used for anything, nor do I see where or how it's meant to be used in the first place. I'm I'm using Parcel to host it so that it would be recognized as a module at all to overcome the cannot use import statement outside of module when attempting to import it without Parcel. But regarding this, I don't understand how it's supposed to eventually be deployed. The end user is not going just needs to see a site. They're not gonna be running a parcel server on their end in order to get the module to work. That's another thing I don't understand. How will it run on its own? All that this dialog module is supposed to do is make my modal pop-up, which I'd already built, be accessible. I don't know if it is now or not. Certain things I'm reading about it, for example, that this attribute, when included on the container, is supposed to automatically hide it when the user clicks away from it, is currently not having that effect. I just need someone to shed some light on how any of this is meant to work. And there's no please, somebody say anything helpful to me. I mean, I was following I guess I can look up another tutorial on YouTube. Um, yeah, I don't get it. Like, if I had an idea of what the outcome's meant to be, I would be able to compare that with what I have and slowly narrow the gap. But I don't even know, like, it's not even clear how this is supposed to wind up, or if I should just be totally taking a whole different approach. There's really not much on YouTube in terms of there really isn't. There really is not. Anyways.